This Sovvi G's reporting live from the Rock. It's my new shit. It's called Double Birds, Monopoly Railroad, slow version. Hateful play politicians, corrupt law enforcement, malicious judges, fraudulent lawyers, and greedy blood-sucking financial institutions are the biggest threat to our national security, not foreign countries and terrorists. Prove me wrong. Grah, it's Double Birds to the punk cops. Let me see you pussy bulletproof headshot. Grah, running up a bag on the ops. Faggot niggas still posted on the same block. Grah, a bitch bad as Shirley Ellie Cop. But fuck the media cause I don't need your fake props. Grah, switch up on niggas like that till we load them up Caesar's Harris slots. Tell ADG she need to free my nigga Jeffrey. It's me and David Duke and the whole Margaretti. Overline ALM and this shit could get messy. Since shopping in the BLM don't wanna respect me. I'm the speaker of the house in the Senate. Shining bright like casino with Nick, my brother Bennett. Check it. Occupy your lobby, bitch. My life ain't an investment, so let Liz know I want my medals and gems for the record. Shout out Mac McConnell, he got them bills past Sedano when I'm loving it at Grand Central right across Toronto. Fuck what happened yesterday, I'm planning for tomorrow. That's why I need my peso ASAP. Working for Zelda Blanco, there's a slide on the wall, so I brought me a Black Widow. A double barrel AR with 200 round extendos. Know what make you think you could play me like Nintendo, but I could send some F days.